In this video, we picked the best lawn mowers. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So, leave the research work up to us, save your time and energy and pick your favorite one from here. Number 5. Husqvarna 7021P. 21-inch, gas-powered push lawn mower with 160 cubic centimeters Honda GVC 160 engine. 3-in-1 cutting system mulch, rear bag, and side discharge. 12-inch rear wheels increase maneuverability over a variety of terrain. Adjustable handle for ergonomic operation, folds for storage. 7021P is compliant for the state of California. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Greenworks 25302 G-Max. G-Max 40 volts Li-ion battery. 20-inch cutting deck. Innovative smart cut technology. Dual blades offer better cut quality, superior mulching and bagging capabilities. Dimensions: 29.2 x 20.7 x 19.5 inches. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Black & Decker MM2000. 20-inch wide cutting path. 7 setting height adjustment from 1-1/2 inch to 4 inches high. Convenient carrying handle. 13-gallon nylon grass collection bag. 13Ah motor for ample power in any overgrowth. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Greenworks 25022. Durable 20-inch steel deck. Powerful 12-amp motor. 7-position height adjustment. Push-button start. Foldable handles for compact storage. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Craftsman 37430. 140 cubic centimeters OHV gas-powered engine. 3-in-1 capabilities. 21-inch cutting deck. Dual lever adjustable cutting height. Durable wheels. Please check the description for details and best price.